Good morning, children. Welcome back to our science class. In the previous class, we have studied about the flowers, seasonal flowers, uses of flowers, etc. Now, in this class, let us learn about fruits. We have already read that flowers make fruits. Fruits usually store seeds and food in them. We eat fruits because they give nutrition to our body. And fruits generally have good taste and flavor. And fruits generally have seeds which produce new plants. Some fruits like mango, peach, plum have only one seed. Some other fruits like lemon, papaya, orange and watermelon have very many seeds. Some varieties of bananas and grapes have no seeds. Papaya also, some varieties of papaya also do not have any seeds in their fruits. So here is a picture of fruits. So many fruits are there in the picture, and these fruits are formed from flowers, and fruits store seeds which produce new plants, and fruits give nutrition to our body, and fruits have good taste and flavor, and some fruits have one seed, example mango, plum, peach, etc. Some fruits have many seeds, example lemon, papaya, orange, etc. Some varieties of banana and grapes have no seeds. We know that already banana has no seeds. It reproduces through its stem. So after the fruits are given, the stem of the banana plant will be cut, and again this stem give rise to new plant. Now we get different types of fruits in different seasons, like flowers itself. In summer, we get fruits like muskmelon, watermelon, mango, lychee, jamun, falsa, etc. In winter, we get grapes, apples, oranges, Indian gooseberry, that is amla. So all these are called seasonal fruits. The fruits which we get in summer are called as summer fruits. Example, muskmelon, watermelon, mango, jamuns. The fruits which we get in winter season are called winter fruits. Example, grapes, apples, oranges. All these fruits are called seasonal fruits. Like seasonal flowers, seasonal fruits will be there. Summer season will get summer fruits, winter season will get winter fruits. Next, coming to the uses of fruits here. There are some fruits like cashew nuts, almonds and walnuts, which are first dried and then used. These fruits are called as dry fruits. See, here we have a picture of dry fruits. Where do we use these dry fruits? Usually in the preparation of sweets, kheer, etc. The dry fruits will be used in the preparation of sweets. And they are also used in preparing various dishes that are generally eaten during the winter season. These dry fruits are usually used in winter season. They produce heat to our body. They give warmth to our body. So these dry fruits are used in winter season. So fruits give nutrition to our body and have good taste and flavor. And fruits have seeds in them which produce new plants. Fruits like cashew nuts, almonds and walnuts are dried and then used as dry fruits. They are used in preparing various dishes like kheer, sweets, etc. Usually these dry fruits are used in winter season to produce heat to our body. Why? Because in winter season it is very cool weather. So these dry fruits are used to give warmth to our body. And fruits like bitter gourd, jackfruit, brinjal, tomato, which are commonly used as vegetables. Here we have a picture of some fruits. They are used as vegetables. Tomato, brinjal, ladyfinger, all these are the fruits of those plants, and these are used as vegetables. And these tomatoes can be eaten cooked and also uncooked. Brinjal and ladyfinger should be eaten only cooked. So these tomato, brinjal and ladyfinger are the fruits of those plants which are used as vegetables. Next, some fruits are there like mango, lemon, etc. These are used in preparing pickles, chutneys, marmalades, jams, etc. So some fruits will be there. They are used for preparing pickles, chutneys, marmalades, etc. Example, that type of fruits are mango and lemon. During summer season, you might have observed that your mother has prepared so many pickles for you. These pickles will be stored throughout the year, and usually mango, lemon, all these will be used for preparing pickles. Not only pickles, for making chutneys regularly in the house, mother will prepare chutneys also using these fruits. And strawberries also will be used for preparing pickles, chutneys, etc. And you might have observed we will get jam bottles, jam. So these jams also can be prepared by using the fruits. Not only single fruits, mixed fruit also will be there. And see here we have a picture of jackfruit. I think everyone has seen this jackfruit and eaten it. It is very tasty and it has good flavor also. So this jackfruit is the largest fruit in the world. So these jackfruits are the largest fruits in the world. So thus all the fruits are very useful to us. We have so many uses of the fruits. Now let us see what we have discussed now. Flowers make fruits, fruits store seeds which produce new plants, fruits give nutrition to our body, fruits have good taste and flavor, some fruits have one seed, example mango, plum, peach, etc. Some fruits have many seeds, example lemon, papaya, orange, etc. Some varieties of banana and grapes have no seeds. Banana is grown by its stem. Next, seasonal fruits. The fruits which we get in summer are called summer fruits. The fruits which we get in winter are called winter fruits. Example for summer fruits are mango, watermelon, muskmelon, etc. And winter fruits are grapes, oranges, apples, etc. Next, coming to the uses of fruits. Fruits give nutrition to our body and have good taste and flavor. Fruits have seeds in them which produce new plants. Fruits like cashew nuts, almonds and walnuts are dried and used as dry fruits. They are used in preparing various dishes like sweets, kheer, etc. Some fruits of the plants are used as vegetables. Example, bitter gourd, brinjal, tomato, ladyfinger, etc. And coming to the some more uses of fruits, some fruits like mango, lemon, etc. are used for preparing pickles, chutneys, jams, etc. And this jackfruit is the largest fruit in the world and it has good flavor and taste. And coming to the assignment for this part 2, which we have learned, name any 3 dry fruits. Names of the 3 dry fruits we have to write, and write any 2 uses of fruits. Any 2 uses you can write. We have so many uses of the fruits. Write any 2 uses you can write. And list 2 food preparations that can be made by using mango fruit. So how your mother prepares some food items by using the mango fruit. What are the two food, any two food preparations you can write by using the mango fruit. Thank you, children.